Hi, I'm Darren Higgins and I'm the Clinical Director here at the Vanbrugh Physiotherapy Clinic.
Located in Greenwich, London, the Vanbrugh Physiotherapy Clinic is dedicated to helping clients achieve their health and wellbeing goals, to overcome pain and movement restrictions, enabling them to get back to doing the things they love. Our team of specialist musculoskeletal physiotherapists offer a comprehensive range of services, including physiotherapy, soft tissue therapy, clinical Pilates, Orthotics treadmill, personal training, and shockwave. These services cater for individuals dealing with musculoskeletal disorders, post-injury rehabilitation, chronic back and neck pain, sporting injuries, and much, much more. The clinic's holistic approach ensures that each treatment plan is tailored to the unique needs of every client, promoting overall health and well-being. We're excited to announce the launch of our new Footscan Gait and movement analysis service. Footscan captures precise data through over 8,000 pressure sensors, providing accurate feedback regarding your foot function and load distribution. This detailed assessment helps our team to identify any abnormal or asymmetrical movement patterns which could be contributing towards your pain complaints. The system plays a key role in our broader musculoskeletal assessments, enabling us to quantify a wide range of additional tests, such as balance, calf raises, squats, jumps, and landing, for example. We combine your dynamic foot scan analysis with a 3D scan of your feet, providing gold standard 4-dimensional visuals. This enables us to design and prescribe the award-winning Phits orthoses. Phits are the world's first dynamic data-driven 3D printed insoles, specifically designed using your unique movement data. This cutting-edge 3D printing technology allows for precise customization, ensuring optimal support and superior stability. Phits orthotics are lightweight, durable, and tailored to fit various types of footwear, making them suitable for daily use, sports activities, and specific occupational needs. By integrating Footscan with Phits 3D printed orthoses, we can provide our clients with bespoke solutions to address foot and lower limb related issues, improve overall movement efficiency, and minimize the risk of future injury. This innovative approach reflects our ongoing commitment to utilize industry-leading technology to enhance our patient care and outcomes. If you're experiencing pain when standing, walking, or running, and want to continue with your daily activities pain-free, our expert team is here to help you live life to the full. To schedule an assessment with us, please visit www.vphysio.co.uk or call us on 0208 293 5484.